take a million hours. Good morning, friends. Happy Vlogmas. I don't know if you can hear it in my voice, but I'm sick. That is also why I have this filter on right now. So actually, I thought that I was recording that entire time, but apparently I wasn't. So because yesterday I was so sick, I didn't do anything and I didn't film or record, so I'm just kind of tidying up from that, and I'm still not feeling great, but it was a really busy day getting photos done and being with the family, so I had to get moving. Okay, so I am all ready to go. We're gonna go a little bit early to the mall. We're getting Santa Claus pictures done, and I have these black like trousers on and my favorite, I think these are Chinese laundry boots. I am feeling better in some ways, worse in other ways. So yesterday's video was actually filmed the day before, and I didn't film yesterday. I just stayed at home, lied in bed, slept. I was feeling pretty miserable. Today I feel okay. I don't feel better. My throat is still like really scratchy, and it kind of, I feel like it's moving into my sinuses, which is annoying because I hate having like a stuffy or runny nose. I've been just eating so many Halls, but I just hope that this won't ruin my, no, Walter! Halls, probably kill him. He was quick on that. Anyways, okay, I'm gonna go because we're heading to the mall. On our way. Aaron's here. Now the party can really start, right? We are on our way to the mall. It's so bright. To get our Santa Claus pictures taken, and then we are going to see Mary Poppins. But we're gonna go early. And actually, oh, I forgot to wear my wedding rings. Aww. Now, forever, we're not gonna remember that we're married. I might have a ring in here. Anyways, so we are going to, yeah, go to the mall, maybe do some shopping, and meet up with everybody. It's gonna be fun. It's the start of the Christmas, the real Christmas countdown. We need to get all the way over there. Oh, this is the line. Yeah, this is the line for the line. We're trying to wait. My family's not here. It's just Andrew and I. Aaron went walking around, so hopefully this won't take a million hours. We're all here. We're all here. Wait, oh! I got Laura-Lee. Oh, actually, no, because I'll tell you what I got Laura-Lee.
Andrew, what's the best Italian sub you can get? Jersey Mike's. Take that to the bank.
I don't like that. Yeah, you think so.
We got our photos done, and now we are at dinner, and then we are gonna go see a movie. And I'm still not feeling very well. Still like a sore throat and like stuffy. I don't know. I don't know if it's getting worse or if it's getting better. Hi Natalie. Where's Natalie? We just
So excited for Mary Poppins.
Is that our car right there? We valeted our car. I just saw them kiss. Okay.
Oh, sorry.
We're going to the movies now.
Oh, sorry, dude. There you go, bro.
He did that. Wait, let's go to the movie. Oh, that's the exit.
Oh, yeah.
Can you move this? Yeah. What you guys think?
I loved it. It's the best.
Only thing I would have done is just cut the Meryl Streep scene.
Oh, I loved that. Was my favorite.
Aaron,
Yeah.
what did you think?
I think it was good. I just thought that they never ended up going back to pick up the bowl anyway.
Oh, you're right.
100% agree with Andrew. Because everything about the movie was great. It was just a little too long. Pick the bowl back up. The bowl had nothing to do with the end of the movie. They just had to go there and sing and give her the bowl to get fixed. And honestly, during that scene, I was almost falling asleep. The rest of it was fantastic. I don't know, Emily knows.
Amy, where'd you
The bay. Level C.
Wait,
On the back, in the back.
I don't have my
Just
You
tell
know
me where
what?
to turn, 'cause I don't.
I liked it
Do
and I
turn
didn't
here or
like
do I
it.
keep going?
I think, I don't know.
wearing my glasses.
I don't know how to get to the bay.
you live here. This is the first time I have Laura-Lee
always park in different.
Okay, okay,
Go left. Just
the
turn
next
left.
one, turn, I think the next one. I liked it.
But you didn't like it?
No, I really liked it, but I tend to agree there are some parts that I could have done without, but it was really good.
Which parts could you have done without?
I would go straight, bro.
Straight?
No, go left. No, go left. Aaron,
Since it's school.
We're making one last stop at Whole Foods to get some elderberry syrup because Andrew feels like he's getting sick, and I'm definitely not getting better right now. I feel worse. Is this it? No. You took a picture, right? This is the best one. It tastes really good, I think. We think it is. We are home now. What? What did you say? We are home now. And where'd you put it?
In the fridge.
So if you guys are looking for an elderberry syrup that tastes really good, this one. It's the Nature's Way. This one tastes delicious. It's very sweet. We had it in this one in San Francisco. Oops. I dropped the lid. Andrew's sister got this one, and it's like eating candy. It's really good. Anyways, it is 10 o'clock, and I am obviously still sick, which I've been saying this whole video. So I'm going to wrap it up here. I'm going to take off my makeup and take some medicine and go to bed. So I'm going to end this vlog here. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this video, and I will see you again tomorrow. Good night.